What's up, guys? Tommy here from Green Rhino with another video. Today I'm going to be doing well, this is Saturday. I've got two jobs on the books. One's vacation rental, and the other one's a repeat customer. Both relatively small jobs. This is just two areas. This is a master bedroom. As you can tell, the carpet traffic ways are pretty soiled up. Normally on this type of carpet I would just go ahead straight to VLM, because this type of carpet tends to wick if you don't get the maximum amount of moisture out of it. But being it's so soiled, I'm just gonna monitor the PSI coming out of my wand to only about 300. So if you guys are thinking about getting portables or whatever, 300 PSI it'll work for carpets. But I'm gonna monitor it down to about 300. By the time it comes out my tip of my wand, it's probably gonna be down to about 200. But that's fine. I don't want to get these things too wet. I'm going to depend mostly on my chemistry. And then I'll go over it with a bonnet real quick just to get the maximum amount of moisture out. So yeah, I'm going to do a little extra on this, but better than a callback, guys. So a couple spots kind of work back out. Really easy fix, but you got to go out of your way to come back and fix your problems. So it's better just to do all you can do while you're here. And you can tell this area is really real dirty. The rest of the area is not too bad. A little bit of poker playing. I like this little place. So I do a few jobs a few properties for this vacation rental company. They like me, so they keep using me, so I'm going to keep treating them right. Alright, so I've got my corner guards up. I'm going to go ahead and pull out all my equipment. Stay tuned. You know, there's some guys that get this Power Flight and they say it doesn't roll. You gotta make sure that your red switch is down in order to activate it. It's not gonna roll also until you pull down the handle. You know, I want to clear up a little bit of confusion on Power Flight, the product I use on a regular. Basically, when I bought this Power Flight, see this thing doesn't roll well on carpet. You can tell this is a really low pile, and it's been having a tough time. So usually I go ahead and activate the brushes and move it around like that. So I bought this when I was in a search for a CRB. Plus I wanted to start doing hardwood floors. Okay, so those were two different machines. I was thinking, all right, I gotta buy a CRB, I gotta buy a Dirt Dragon or something similar to that. And I didn't have all that much money, so I started doing a whole bunch of research, and I ended up getting this thing because I could do both. Okay, does that mean that I will never maybe go get a CRB or something other than this that may work a little bit better, or at least be more convenient, maybe lighter and stuff like that? This thing isn't too light. I mean, it's kind of heavy, but you know, like I said, depending on your budget. So if you're getting into this business and you have a small budget and you want to get the maximum amount what you can get with your budget, this is a great machine to get if you need to do pre-agitation or clean hard floors. You can use this to clean hard floors. Okay, so hardwood floors, whatever. It just depends on what solutions you put in here. You put a neutral cleaner in here, you can just do maintaining and cleaning floors, right? Or you can put a higher pH and do a little bit more aggressive work with that, right? Then you want to follow it up with the neutral, like with your buffer, or maybe just throw neutral back in here and go back over it. So anyway, this is not, I'm not sitting here saying to my viewers that this is better than CRB. I'm saying this does what a CRB does. Plus I could do something else with it, right? Yes, once I get more into hardwood floors and stuff, I might get a more of a specific machine for that. Maybe a Dirt Dragon or something similar to that. But for now, this is doing just fine. I don't do hardwood floors so much, so I need to, take $4,000 out of the account and get a Dirt Dragon. So yeah. So just to let you know, guys, a lot of my videos are based on startups, people just getting into the business, and then I'm showing them how to actually clean with all my videos. I'm showing you how to clean with my videos. I don't really get into too much how to build your business or anything like that. That's what my course is for. But low budget startups and just learning the basics of carpet cleaning. That's what I'm here for. I'm here for you guys. All right, let me plug this in and stop talking. I ran across a post the other day. The post said, I'm not understanding how people can claim that they're making $100 an hour doing carpets. And basically he said for a 3-room house, I think it was like a total of about 5 areas. It took him 4 hours. Now, the problem is not what we're saying. The problem is his efficiency's not there. He's taking too much time. His chemistry must not be right. So he's having to go back over and over. He's doing a little bit too much when it comes to pre-scrubbing. Okay? Pre-scrubbing. Really all you need to do is the really soiled areas. Your chemistry, if you got the right chemistry, it's going to take care of everything else. As a matter of fact, all the pre-scrubbing in the world, it's not going to do anything for you unless your chemistry is right. So get a good chemistry. Focus on the well-trafficked areas. Okay? Not the rest of the carpet. Chemistry is going to do that for you. The real soiled, you want to break up that. You want to break it all up. That way, it's ready for your wand to extract or your pad, whatever you're using to extract. Vacuuming. Go through there and vacuum. Ask your customers to vacuum before you get there. See how well they did. If it isn't so well or the carpet's not so great, go back over it. But don't take forever on it. Get a decent vacuum that picks up well. It's going to save you money. It's going to make you money in the long run. This should take me an hour, 15 minutes. Probably going to take me a little long because I'm doing a lot of talking. Alright. Stay tuned. Look at the beautifulness. Look at that. Look at it. Really important to do dry strokes over this carpet, by the way. This is a really tight corner here, so I'm not going to film. So that took me about 5 minutes per room to go over with the bonnet. That's going to guarantee no wicking, no callbacks. As you can tell, it looked like it even took a little bit more soil off of it. This was this room, and that was the other room. So no matter what method you get, you're not going to get totally 100% of everything out of there. It's just impossible. But we do the best that can be done. And that's it for this one, guys. So if you did like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it. And you guys have a good one. I'll see you in the next one.